My name is Zlatan Karabegovic. I am a kiln service specialist where we perform more than 250 hot kiln alignments per year. Hot kiln alignment is an important tool in your preventive maintenance strategy, helping to keep the kiln running with optimized availability. Carrying out hot kiln alignment minimizes several common kiln problems and reduces unforeseen production stoppages. This leads to a reduction in maintenance costs and, of course, increased productivity. Hot kiln alignment is a complete analysis of your kiln, including geometrical and dynamical measurements together with a mechanical inspection. We use the most modern measuring techniques, tools and calculation methods. Based on the knowledge and experience obtained during 135 years of designing kilns and delivering services, we have developed a method of analyzing your kiln that focuses at 4 root causes: the kiln axis, kiln shell ovality, axial balance, and kiln crank. The result of the hot kiln alignment will give you a clear diagnosis of the state of your kiln. We will give recommendations for improvements that will ensure continued kiln operation. Our highest priority is to identify the true root cause, which is why our recommendations will give you long-lasting problem solving. In addition to the hot kiln alignment, we recommend an engineering study, what we call the comprehensive hot kiln alignment. In the engineering study, we calculate stresses in the kiln and determine if any overloading is present, taking into account all the current operating conditions and the measured kiln axis. This is important information in order to identify potential problems and makes it possible for you to take action before the problems become fatal. Based on experience, we know that all adjustments to the supporting rollers introduce a risk of the bearings overheating. In the engineering study, we therefore determine the stiffness of the kiln, which helps us identify if the kiln would suffer from a displaced kiln axis and whether the actual kiln axis must be corrected or not. All hot kiln alignments are succeeded by a final meeting with the customer where the findings and recommendations are presented. During this session, we explain all the measurements performed on your kiln. Knowledge sharing with the technical staff is an important part of the service. Understanding the influence of the different measurements will help kiln operators and the maintenance staff determine the most efficient mode of operation and fully prepare for maintenance stops. Based on these findings and recommendations, we will offer to carry out supporting roller adjustments in order to correct the kiln axis or the axial balance. We can offer a broad range of plant services, ranging from complete plant audits to turnkey solutions of repairs and upgrades, as well as tire and supporting roller resurfacing.